Chris? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. How are you, Chris?
Fine.
Fine, great. So, how is the weather there?
Oh, the weather is in the morning was sunny. Currently is cold.
Okay, so cool or cold?
Cold.
Okay. It is like there it's the same as here, like windy or no?
Oh, yes, is
Summer, fall, spring, winter. What season are you?
it's difficult because in my country, in my region, for example, the all days or always there are sunny or raining, or I think it's the mix of the all science seasons.
Yes.
But I believe that in this time, maybe it's, mm, um, summer. I think it's summer.
Okay.
But the temperature in my region, my
Yeah.
country, had three regions: Sierra, a coastal region, and Amazon region. I live in Sierra region.
Yeah.
The temperature is between um, 18, 18 and 23 grades.
Oh, so it's really, really hot.
Mm,
Kind
yes,
of.
fine.
Also.
Also,
Okay, because here, yeah, if we reach in that degrees, here is like really, really hot because here in Bolivia, especially in La Paz, the weather is cold, 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 really, really cold. This
mm,
month, July, August, since June, July, August, these 3 months are really cold, really.
mm, oh,
Yes, I think that it's not the same, right, in the weather?
no. In
Yes.
the coastal region in my country, for example, temperature are in between um, eh, um, ah, 18 and 20, 28, 27, 26
Yeah.
uh, grades.
Oh, but that's in the coast.
Yes, it's in the coast.
Uh,
I like.
yes,
Yes, I like.
but all the year is in the same.
Oh no, it depends. For example, I think in the December is that temperature.
Yeah. So,
December to May, I think.
okay. So that time maybe it's really, really nice, right, to go there.
Mhm. Yes.
Oh, nice. Yeah.
In,
Hmm?
in the Amazon is humid,
Humid.
húmedo,
Yes, humid.
humid. And um, the temperatures are similar to my region, but it's humid. I don't like this type of weather.
Okay, okay. Yeah, here in Bolivia, we have some, well, there is one city. There is one city that it is humid. Santa Cruz is the only one. Maybe Tarija. We have like 2 or 3 cities that they are like the same, but the others are like cold. Yeah, because we have like 9 cities, but 3 of them or maybe 4 are really hot, like a warm weather. But the others like 6 ones or 5, yeah, those are really really cold. Yes. So it's difficult when it is cold here and you are like, oh, with a lot of clothes. What time is really cold there where you are?
What?
In what time? What month, for example, it's cold there?
Oh, I think in August is cold.
August. So it's like one more month and it's gonna
Yes,
be cold. Mm,
yes,
okay, okay. So you have to be prepared.
yes.
Yeah.
But is cold, but I think not is not very cold. Uh, because, for example, I lived in Spain, and when I lived there, the temperature was 5 grades in February,
Mm,
and I think it was very cold.
yeah. Wow.
Yes,
So it's
eh,
really totally different.
yes. Mhm. And when I visited Germany, it was very cold.
Cold.
Cold,
Oh, yes.
yes.
Wow. And what about Italy? How was the weather in that time that where you went?
Oh, Italy, I visited Italy and Germany and France in December. And but I think that the temperature in Italy was better than, for example, Germany. In my personal opinion, I think Germany was the more extreme weather. Yes.
Wow. Yes. Yeah. Well, that could be really, really amazing. But how did you decide to go and travel around those countries? Did you have maybe like some, I don't know, some plans to go and visit somebody else there or study? What happened? What why did you took that decision?
Oh, I I think that it was my dream, or always, and in that um, in that time it was Christmas vacations, and I believe it was the best occasion to visit these countries. I traveled with a friend.
Really, really, really nice. Yes. So you have maybe the tickets to go there. It was expensive or it was great.
Um, the tickets of plane avión
Yeah, the plane. Yeah, plane.
plane were um, were um, um, ay, barato,
Oh, cheap.
cheap, cheap,
Uh,
and because we bought that tickets two 2 months before, and especially we bought the tickets in the Monday, no, Blue Monday through internet.
yeah.
And I think it is a black. It's similar to Black Friday.
Okay, so it was like a promotion.
Yes.
Wow.
But in general, the tickets in Europe are very cheap. For example, we bought a ticket from Mallorca to Hamburgo. Hamburgo is in Germany. For we paid 5 euros
Yeah.
for the travel.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Oh, really nice. About,
Yes.
but the places, the hotel, it was cheap. It was not.
Oh, I think it's different. Um, for example, I believe that the cities more expensive are Paris and Paris and Roma. But
Hmm.
maybe Brussels. But in the others, Venecia is very expensive.
Venice.
The hotels, the food are very expensive.
Oh, really nice. But how much time, how long have you spent traveling to all of these places?
Mm, We traveled for 2 weeks between cities and cities and cities.
2 weeks. Wow,
Yes.
it was so like a fast trip.
Yes.
Oh, really
Yes.
nice. Really nice. Yeah, I think one time I will do the same. I am a little bit scared, so but I think that it's great, right?
Yes. I think it was a little time to visit all cities. Because, for example, I think it's necessary um, uh, 2 weeks only to visit Paris because um, because it had many attractions and many historical buildings, and the food and the streets all in Paris are amazing.
Yes, I could imagine that. Yeah, really, really nice, right? So you went alone or you went with your family or with friends?
Oh, I travel with a friend only, and alone with my friend.
Okay, so just you two.
Yes,
Nice, nice.
we don't have family or Marta, my friend, um, had friends, but in Italy and in Germany.
Mm, mm, wow. Okay, so you went and you have like maybe a house to arrive.
Yes, and Hamburg in a city called Pescara. It is in Italy, but in the other cities, I I paid hotel or Airbnb.
Okay. Okay. So no, it wasn't difficult. So really nice. Really nice, Chris. Someday
Yes,
I will do the same. I will call you. How you did it, Chris?
yes, it's I think it's the best um one of the best things in my life.
Okay. Yeah, it was a great experience to know all
Yes.
of that. Yeah, I will do something the same. I will call you and I will ask you, what can I do?
Yes.
Okay, Chris. Perfect. Really nice. So now we have to start. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yesterday we finished unit 1. And today we're going to start with unit 2. We're going to do just one grammar. The grammar, it is about future. We're going to see futures. I think that we saw on Monday, we saw like in simple past with connector when, right? But it was just in simple past. Now we are gonna see this, the same with connectors with future time clauses. But when we talk about future, we are talking about will or going to. So, and after, we are going to combine this future with simple present. And we're going to use some connector, okay? Oh, give me 1 second. Okay, so, okay, this is a little bit locked. So it was future, the first sentence. And in the second sentence, we have the simple present. But in order to connect these two sentences, we are going to use connectors. In simple past, for example, we used as a connector only when. But in future, when we want to connect with present, we are going to use these connectors. When, after, before, as soon as, until, and while. So we have more options to connect sentences. But the same, we have to start with future, okay? With the future sentence, so we can say, what is it going to happen in the future? Using one connector, if I do some, for example, some action in the present. For example, I'm sure they'll decide. Okay, I'm sure they'll decide. As soon as, tan pronto como, they have more information, simple present. So the first thing, the first statement that has to happen, it is this. They have more information. And the second is that they will decide. So this is a present, always is going to represent the first activity. And the future is going to be the consequence of the first activity. But we're going to link these two sentences using a connector. So always we can start with this structure, the future, my connector here, and my simple present. So I can use whatever of these ones, while, when, after, whatever that can have sense, we can use it. Now, we can use, this is one question that some people used to say, can I use, for example, not will? Can I use a, I don't know, can I use, what's this, be going to in future? Yes, we can use. Here I can say, I am going, or I'm sure they are going to decide. Okay, they are going to decide, future will be going to. As soon as they have more information, no more. Okay, so that's the thing. Now, what else? If I want to say, there is another question. Some people used to say, but first I want to say, what is my first activity? And after I want to say the consequence. Okay, if I want to see the first activity, I have to use first the connector. First the connector. And after the simple present. And we are going to separate it with the future. Okay, by a comma, using just a comma. Okay, so just that. I get home. Okay, I get home. When I get home, I'll watch TV. So first, my first activity, I have to get home. And if I'm in my house, at home, I will watch TV. Okay, so if I want to say first the consequence, the connector in the middle. If I want to say first activity, first the connector and after the present. Okay, so that is the only thing. That is the only thing that we must know for this grammar. Chris, maybe do you have some question about this?
No.
Okay, perfect. Excellent. So we're going to see about the exercises for this. I think we have 3 exercises from this grammar. I can't remember, but I think, let's see this. 1, 2, okay, So now if you refresh the page, you will see the assignments. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Yes. So the first one, we're going to start with the first one. In this part, yes, we have to select. Let's try to remember the structure or using the, for example, what is the correct? Okay, that it has more sense. Now,
Okay.
let's start. Perfect, excellent. Any mistake? Okay, so the next one, yeah. In this part, you have like the role with the connectors. So we have to see if you have the connector at the beginning, if you have in the after in the middle, but you have to see the first statement in number one, for example, first, she'll get to the health club. Then she'll put on her exercise clothes. Both are in future. One of them could stay in future, but the other one has to be the first activity. So the first one of them has to be in present, and we have to convert in present. Okay, yeah, this is with, let's do it this carefully because we have to think a little bit like which of them could be first, which of them could be second. Okay.
Okay.
Great. Perfect. Any mistake. Excellent, Chris. Very good. I tell you that in this exercise, I just do have like some students that they have to many or some problems with this, but it was great. Excellent, Chris. So
Thank you.
let's go to the third. Yeah, we have one more. The next. Oh yeah, next. Yeah, one more next. Yeah. Okay, here you have to write, but in this part we have to be careful in the part of present because we have third person and we have to respect the verbs with third person, right? So we have to be careful. Let's do it.
Lore, in the future, I can use will or going to.
Yes, you could use both.
Thank you.
Okay, so just one mistake. And this mistake, Chris, it is because news translating as a word, noticias, all right? So we can't count news. It is non-countable. So always we use with is, okay? Always with is, just that. Okay, perfect, excellent. Excellent, Chris. So this was the first grammar. So making practice about this, maybe could you, for example, telling me about you, three plans that you have. And it could be in a near future or in a far future. But those future has to be like the consequence because you have some activities in the present, for example.
Okay. I will, I will, I will, mm, I will, I will, mm, I will make my classes for tomorrow as soon as I finish my English class.
Okay, perfect. Excellent.
Before I have my dinner. Mm, I uh, um I I um I um I drink coffee.
Great. Okay.
Um,
Finally.
while I I do my exercise, I will watch video on YouTube.
Excellent. Perfect. So that's the great use, the best use of this grammar. Okay. Excellent, Chris. So now give me 1 second. I will assign you all the tasks. Okay. So for this unit 2.
Lore,
Yes.
the health health club is such as gym
Health club.
health
It's
club.
like it is like a gym, but not it's not with exercises. It is more with uses. For example, it's like a group of people who go and they are like drinking healthy food, like healthy drinks, but everything about health. That
Okay.
is, but it is not exactly with exercising. This is not a gym.
Okay. Thank you, Lore.
You're welcome. Yes, that is that part. And okay, we're going to assign this. Okay, so maybe you are going to find more exercises about this in unit 2.
Yes.
Yes, right. So on Monday, we are going to finish. Yeah, give me 1 second. I will send you. I will send you the document now. Before I forget this.
Oh, Lore,
Yes.
the finish of this assignment
Yes.
is 5 July.
No, the first unit.
Mhm.
First unit is on Sunday.
Yes.
The second exercises, just the exercises, is in Tuesday. Next Tuesday, right?
Yes.
And because we have to complete with 2 grammars,
Mm,
and when we finish this, we are going to assign the tests.
okay.
Okay, so you just have the exercise, not the tests.
Okay.
Okay, so it is already done. Now, yes, now, dun, dun, dun. I will send you also on Monday. We're going to work with phrasal verbs. In order to learn phrasal verbs, we have a list. Okay, we have a list. It is the same when we start learning verbs. It is the same, the phrasal verbs. Okay, so I will send you this weekend. You could go, you could see this. You could see this list. I will send you. These are 2 PDFs. And one of them, it is in with translations in present. And the other, it is in past. Okay, so we have to see this. You can take it like only a check. You could see it, how they work and that, because we don't have a structure and a specific structure for this. But we're going to see what is the meaning of some of them and how can they help us in speaking or writing or something like that. Okay?
Okay, Lore.
So do we have maybe some question, Chris?
No, Lore.
Okay.
Thank you.
Perfect. So today we will finish here. Yes, we have to finish with this. Monday we finish this second grammar. Wednesday and no, Tuesday and Wednesday we finish unit 3. So yeah, it's gonna be fast. Yes.
Yes.
Really. When do you want to take the TOEFL test, Chris?
I believe that
Yeah, when
in
did you plan?
November.
November. You have to do it on November.
Mhm.
Ah, okay, okay. Ah, yes. So you have time. You have time. Yes. Okay, Chris. Perfect. So, yeah, that's it. Okay, Chris. So take care a lot. See you on Monday. Have a nice weekend and try to see those PDFs.
Thank you, Lore. Bye.
Okay. Bye bye, Chris.